In this section, we're going to get down to work and we're going to begin to create our first application based on .NET Maui. It is the application that you can see on the screen. This is an application that will allow you to select a color from the combination of 3 slider controls. We can vary each one of the values of the sliders, and we can see how the background changes color according to the combination of the 3 colors. Similarly, at the bottom, we have a label control that tells us what is the color obtained in hexadecimal value. We even have a button that allows us to generate a color randomly, and in case we like any of the generated colors, we can click on this button that appears next to the hexadecimal value, and a message will appear indicating that the color has been copied. We can test if it has been copied correctly. And here we have the hexadecimal value that we can use in some other application. This is the application that we're going to proceed to create as part of this section.